Dig in, guys. Come on. Yeah. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Wolf it down. This is called getting your cake and eating it too. Actually, it's quite appetizing. You know, already I'm pretty hungry and watching these guys. Somebody's gonna be hyper tonight. Hey, somebody give them some coke later on.
You know what? This is what I compared what Castro GGS does. Look.
Yun! See, we got a cheering squad motivating. Yeah.
Holy cow!
Okay, remember when you were back in college
It's a
and you were
close fight. They're like the same.
eat anything?
You know that the chocolate cake was great with beer later on. Anybody with Imodium?
Yeah, you can have a contest later on, early in the morning.
Tapos after this, lahat ng dito, sprint tayo mamaya. Lahat ng sugar high.
Takbo talaga yung takbo.
Keep going!
Go Kobayashi!
We got 30 seconds left. Counting down to 25 seconds. Guys, make it clean, huh? There's lots of leftover, buddy.
Oh, we're gonna weigh this village.
I got 10 seconds left. At 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Forks down, boys.
let's put them together.
You know, this is gonna be tough to judge, Artie.
Yeah, it's so tough I want to eat it. Damn.
Alright, now you gotta take into consideration the leftover.
Holy cow. You almost got a tie here.